Hello, my name is Morgan Enns. I am 16 years old, and at the beginning of the fall, I will be a junior at Imperial High School. For 8 years, I have been involved in 4-H by showing lambs, being an officer, and showing dairy heifers through FFA. Before I start talking about the 2-week summer program, I would like to say thank you to the businesses for taking time out of their day and busy schedules to be able and show us what they do. Thank you to the University of California Desert Research and Extension Center, University of California Cooperative Extension, FarmSmart, LIDCO, Agricultural Commissioner, Dr. Jairo Diaz from the UC Desert Research and Extension Center, University of Arizona Yuma Campus, USDA Service Station with FSA and RD, Farm Credit Services Southwest, El Toro Land and Cattle, El Toro Expert, Spreckles Sugar, Swim Systems, and thank you to the University of California for helping to make this program possible. Also, thank you to Stacy and Stephanie for helping to get us out of our comfort zones and do things that brought us all closer. The USDA Food and AgScience Summer Program is a 2-week program where we go around the Imperial Valley and not just learn, but get to see the different careers in agriculture. Before I had started this 2-week summer program, I had known about some of the career options, but not all of them. This program has helped me explore many of those careers by visiting local companies that impact the Imperial Valley in many different ways. We even got to see a new company starting out. Before I started this program, I was mainly interested in pursuing a psychology major. After this 2-week program, I have realized my love for animals. Although we didn't go to many places with animals, whenever we did get to see them, I would get very excited. I have always loved to be around animals, but never really thought about working with them as a career. As I realized my appreciation towards animals, I decided to go into one of the animal science careers in agriculture. While visiting U of A, I learned that I could get a major in animal science and a minor in psychology. I really enjoyed this program and was able to learn a lot about agriculture that I didn't know before. Some things that I learned throughout the 2 weeks is that it is important to always make sure that you are getting what you pay for, have gone to college, and that people who have a history in agriculture will work harder and know what the meaning of work really is. I would like to say a special thank you to the USDA for funding this program.